Do you look at people with beautiful hair and think, if only that were me? Do you wish you could have perfect nails without nail polish or expensive artificial treatments? Are you frustrated from spending too much money on skin cosmetics and diets which just don't work? I was there too. I was fed up. I felt I needed a real change. I knew something just wasn't right. I tried all the products. I had enough. So how did I get from down there to energy, wrinkle-free skin, naturally glowing hair, and perfect nails? What exercises did I use to build my confidence so I can glow from the inside out and share my wonderful new life with the whole world? Well, I did 3 things, and I've created a 30-day audio program to help you do them too. Number 1, transform the way you think about your body, how you treat it and how you nourish it. Number 2, transform the way you think about yourself so that you can have the things you want in life. And number 3, do simple, natural home treatments to ensure you show your best self to the world. I saved hundreds a year by dumping those old ways and doing what I knew was right. Vegan Beauty Makeover was named the makeover that would suit anybody, that has great tips on how to have beautiful skin and hair and do it in a natural and vegan way. It's safe, it's natural, it's the only makeover you'll ever need. And because we need to care about the environment, anyone buying the digital program on Amazon or iTunes and the Kindle ebook would get the book 30 Daily Affirmations and Quotes as a PDF leaflet for free. Where? On rawmunchies.org/beauty.